This is probably the best massager on its range and its style that you'll ever get your hands in. You'll see it in a second. Kukoko. It's the CO 1902 version or model. Let me just open it up. Really nice packaging, by the way. I like that. Opens up just like this. You can have a handle, as you see right here, to hold it around if you need so. 30 watts, 12 volts, 2.5 amps. And these are the measurements: 14.4 by 5.7 by 19.1 in inches, 7.79 pounds in total. Let me just pull it out of the box really quick. This is probably the power adapter, and this is the massager itself. We have some documents, looks like here. Starting, user manual. That's a really nice touch to teach you what to do with it and how to do it. And yes, here we have the buttons: power, direction, intensity button, and heat button. Yes, it has a heat function. This is your warranty. It's 1 year warranty, by the way. It's not just a month or 30 day. And here is the star of the show itself. Now, this design and this color is absolutely beautiful. Here's the handle if you want to grab it by here. The back of it, before we get to the front, is hard shell. It's not soft shell, so you can put it on a sofa, against a chair, against a wall, whatnot. This will resist almost anything, and I really love this color. It looks like those expensive cars that have this kind of nice design. Here's the cover, so you can cover it if you want it a little bit softer. Or if you want to go deep tissue massage, you just flip it on the side here and let the massager go directly to your skin. And in the other hand, you have a zipper here if you want to remove this completely. And besides that, I really like it. And yes, you don't need to worry about sweating because this is a mesh style here, the fabric, so it will let aerate. So you will not get sweaty. That is beautiful because I've had other ones that are made with leather and they're not that comfortable. This one is actually comfortable. Let me power it on really quick, but before we do that, let me just show you the buttons. Yep, brand new sticker. I always love doing this part. Okay, it goes there. This is our power button. This is the direction button. This is the intensity button, 1 and 2. And this is our heat button, turn on and off the heat. And this is where our power, and we'll just pull the power cord out of here, the power adapter. It is a normal wall plug. I'll just pull it out real quick. Really nice packaged everything though. I like that. Attention to detail, really good. This is the power plug, really nice and slim. 2-prong because it's in America here, but you can probably get for other countries too. And yes, it's 12 volt. Let me just unravel it from here. And whoa. It is quite long. It's definitely over 6 feet. Probably I would say it might be 8 feet, I think. Because I'm around almost 6'4" myself, so, and it's longer than my arms, if that's a measurement. Let me plug it real quick. And that's all it needs. We unfold this part, put it on the side, and here are the buttons. You'll see some lights. Really nice, by the way. Now, isn't that beautiful? These are the massage balls. Really nice and smooth. They're not that style that you feel hurt from them at all. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each side. And this one here, towards the lower back, it has this edge to get your muscles really nice, especially when you have that almost like a frozen muscle towards the back after a day of work or whatnot. This will touch that really nice. And as you see, I'm putting my hands here intentionally. And as you see, the massage balls are designed so good that they're not pulling my fingers in. They're pushing from under, so it will not hurt. That is why I'm putting my hands here, and I'm actually pushing, just to make sure that it can actually lift my hand instead of trying to break it. And this is really nice. Now, let me change the direction with the second button, as we said here. If you click it, as you see, now we'll go up and down, left and right, as you see, to get all the muscles on around your spine. I love this mode here. This is my favorite of all of them. If you click it again, you can switch it to a different mode. It goes the same, but in a different direction, as you see. And you click it again, back to normal. This is really beautifully built. And the intensity, if you click the other button right here, that's the intensity. As you see, it lowered the speed a little bit, so it goes a little bit slower right now. Click it again, goes a little bit faster. The noise is barely noticeable, really. It's not really noisy at all like some others that I have. And if you click the heat element right here, look what happens. It turns red to tell you that it is heating. Now let me turn off the lights really quick to show you how cool this actually looks without my studio lights on. And this is how it looks without the lights. Yes, that's where the heat element is. On the middle, yes, it actually feels warm. Really nice and soft though. I really like that. And as you see, I'm actually putting my hands there just to see if it's going to pinch my hand. And it is not pinching my hand at all. I really like that. This is really beautiful. And let me switch the heat off. Look at the blue lights. Tell me that's not a beautiful design. I really like this design. And let me turn the lights on really quick. So one more thing you can do with this one, besides putting it on your back, you can actually put your foot here. Not foot, I mean your leg, and this will actually go around your heel. Like that, I tried it. It really smooths out your calves and your legs in the nicest way you've ever gotten a massage. I really mean that. I'm gonna show you in a moment how I use it, at least in how much I can show you about it. And then I'll show you that there's another use that probably you didn't think about. Especially if you're doing long drives, you're either a truck driver or you're just in general, you're driving a long trip. This, you can take it with you, plug it to your car, and actually have a massage when you take a break. Put it on the car seat. It will give you the best massage to relax you after that long drive. Let me just put my foot here, my leg here really quick, and you'll see it yourself how good it actually looks. Oh, this feels so good. It really, oh, you feel it down at the end of the muscle here and at the beginning of the muscle. This is the best feeling you'll ever have. It's funny actually that I'm having the same color pants as the fabric here, but that was not intentional. This feels good. Okay, guys, that's I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here a few minutes. I'll edit this part. Oh, it's seriously, this can get addictive. I'm gonna need to buy another one to put on both my legs, because this is the best feeling in the world. Okay, now, let me show you how it fits on an actual chair and how you can use it sitting on your chair. And before we go there, you can use it for your arm as well. At least I use it, just like this. Oh, it feels really nice. I wish I could show you even better, but there's no way to show feelings. It seriously feels that good. It grabs that muscle, and you spin your arm the other way. As you see, it's moving my arm nicely. I'm actually just letting my arm rest. I'm not moving the arm here that you see. It's the massage balls under, grabbing the muscle in case you don't see it there. This is probably the best feeling ever. Let me put it this way too now. Oh, this feels good. Seriously, I wish I could show feelings on video. That's how good this feels. Okay, without wasting time, let me show you the other use on the back. And here's the massager on a chair, how you would actually sit on one. And let me turn it on and see it in real life. As you see, how it fits with a spine. Really nice. It gets the tissue really good. And as you see, it even moves according to the massage setting that you put it on. And it goes down to the lower lumbar. This is really beautiful. Now let me switch the pattern. And now the pattern is that we saw earlier on the up and down motion, or almost like a spinning motion. This is really beautiful. As you see the lights in there. Oh yeah, this is really good, and it goes completely down to the lower back, so it covers everything. Now let me switch the intensity. This is now on a lower intensity, and at this point it does like a small, nice, smooth massage. And this whole time we were on deep tissue mode without the cover, as you see here. Let me turn on the heat really quick, just how it looks with the heat on. As you see, the red light is on. Looks actually really nice. Okay, let me put the cover on really quick, how it looks with the cover on. At this point, as you see, the cover is on, so right now it's smooth, much smoother. Okay, and as you see, it goes deep to the spine, just where it needs to be. It covers really, really nice, and as you see, even it fits on the chair perfectly good, because it has that arch here that makes it almost as if a person is sitting on that chair, because it was made that way. Now let me show you from the top really quick how it looks. Just a little bit. As you see, that's where it makes contact with the spine up to the top of the spine right here. And it looks really nice. As you see how it pushes the tissue by itself, you just have to lean on it, and that is it. Really, really a beautiful piece of massage. Okay, so that's the car part I told you. As long as you have one of these little inverters that are for cars, this is only 35 watts, the massager, so that won't take that much. Just plug one of the inverters really quick there. And the inverter is ready. And just plug it in, just as if you would plug it at the house. And now that it's plugged, just like you would plug it on the wall or whatever, you just come here, turn it on the button, and as you see, it has started working. So now after a really long drive, you can have this massage in your car. That is awesome. That is really good to have if you're, as I said, either a trucker or you have a long trip or whatnot. You will have the best massage of your life in your own car. You don't need to go anywhere. And it just works perfect. And these inverters are actually not that expensive, so you can have one around. And as you see, it's still rolling, and it will keep rolling as long as your car either has battery or you leave your car on with AC on. So you have a really nice massage. And yes, you can turn the heater on too. As you see, it switched to red, and it's still running. Look at that. This is really a beautiful massager to have. Seriously, it's the best on its class. And it fits really nice with the seat, by the way. As you see, really nice, and it has that arch that I told you with the seats and chairs, and it will not scratch your car at all, because it's really nice material. So in my opinion, this is worth all day long, and probably the best massager I ever laid my hands on this category. Seriously, I highly suggest this one if you don't have one. And just in case you want it for yourself, I'll leave a link below for all of you that want to have a massage, either in your chair, car, bed, for your feet, for your arms, for your back, because I'm so glad they sent this one to me. And no, they did not pay me to say anything. They did not give me a script, and they did not give me money. They just sent the massager, and they said if I like it, I say I like it. If I don't like it, I say I don't like it and why. So far, I love it, not just like it. With that said, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe and share it with somebody that might need or want one of these beauties for themselves. Bye!